This video is going to demonstrate packing cartons with a serialized item onto a shipment in SAP Business One using Agility 360's Pack Cartons application. First, we're going to start by taking a look at the sales order in SAP. We have a sales order here, 1027, with item A00006, a quantity of 2, and that item is serialized. Now we're going to minimize that, and we're going to pull up our Agility 360 emulator. This is going to show Agility 360 exactly how it would look on a mobile device in your warehouse. And we're going to start by opening our Pack Cartons application in the distribution menu. Now this application would allow us to add these cartons to a shipment or also add the items to an existing carton in the system. But for this, we're going to be creating a new shipment and a new carton, which can be done by hitting enter. And now we're going to enter in that order, 1027. Now we're going to start by scanning our item A00006 in our bin 05A2S4L2. And now we're going to scan our first serial number. And that is A200-110-010. Now this is going to allow us to print a label for our item that can be printed to any label printer in your warehouse, but for this exercise, we're just going to cancel that. And now we're going to add our second batch tracked item. It's going to be the same item, that A00006, from the same bin. And now we're going to scan our other serial number. It's going to be that same serial number except it's -011. And now once again, we'll skip that label printing, but that could be printed to any label printer in your warehouse. And now you can see we have a carton 9686 and a shipment 208 that was created in your SAP system. We're going to jump over to Agility Explorer here and take a look at two Agility grids that are going to show us our shipment and our carton. So first, in Fulfillment Manager, we're going to jump in and search our new shipment 208. And as we can see, it is going to be added with that carton 9686. There's two lines on it because those items have different serial numbers, one of each item, A00006, and it's associated with that order 1027. And if we jump to our inventory palette view, which allows us to see all of our cartons and pallets in the system, it's sorted by most recent, so we're just going to refresh that. And we're going to see that new carton 9686, but it's listed there twice because it now has two line items with different serial numbers, as we can see illustrated here, that -011 and -010 on shipment 208, and both have a quantity of 1 of A00006. Thank you for watching.